SpreadJS, the leading JavaScript spreadsheet library for web applications. SpreadJS is the most comprehensive spreadsheet solution for enterprise JavaScript development, allowing developers to easily add complete spreadsheet functionality into their own applications and so much more. SpreadJS is the perfect option for creating financial, scientific, engineering, healthcare, education, insurance, and many other business applications. Offer your users the most complete Excel-like experience, leading to quicker app adoption. Import and export your most demanding Excel spreadsheets with no dependencies on Microsoft. Create spreadsheets, advanced data grids, dashboards, reports, data entry forms, and more. Build applications that secure, manage, and control your sensitive spreadsheet data access and versioning while keeping the same spreadsheet functionality and ease of use for regulatory compliance applications. Give your users the familiar spreadsheet UI experience and features they are looking for, including tables, charts, shapes, sparklines, slicers, calculation engine, conditional formatting, filtering, and data validation, just to name a few. The built-in, powerful calculation engine includes a complete function library supporting over 500 functions, such as statistical and financial functions, with other features such as iterative calculation, array formulas, dynamic arrays, cross-workbook formulas, and custom user-defined functions that your spreadsheet power users are used to. Elevate SpreadJS applications even further with a suite of powerful optional add-ons, including the Designer Ribbon component, Pivot Table, Gantt Sheet, and Report Sheet. These optional add-ons transform how you and your users design spreadsheets, analyze data, create reports, and manage projects. Developers can easily work with SpreadJS by referencing its CSS and JavaScript files in their application, or installing them from NPM, adding a DOM element, and initializing the JavaScript workbook instance. And just like that, SpreadJS is up and running in the browser and ready for you to work efficiently with the spreadsheet data. The possibilities are endless with SpreadJS. Ready to get started? Download your free trial today.